Hello and welcome to our Leaning Towers videos. I'm going to show you how important posture is for speed. It's really important, it's something we emphasise at our club. First thing we need to think about is something called straight line extension. So the straight line extension here is where my ears, shoulders, hips, knees and ankles are all in a straight line. You'll see that when sprinters come out the blocks. Stay tuned and I'll show you the drills we work on. Drill number one is falling against the wall. Just getting used to bracing myself in that posture. Drill number two is having my hip up here. So I'm talking my back to camera and then switching. So the important thing here is watch my hip level. My hip level of my free hip should be higher than the supporting leg. So here, this hip should be higher. Now this hip should be higher. We find that's a good place to start because athletes find that's this important position here for running. They find it difficult to do.
Okay.
So some athletes find it quite hard to absorb the force against the wall. So you can just get them practicing here. So this same line extension here, straight line extension here, and just here. It's a bit easier because the weight is going down more than forward. When we go up here like this, things happen like the back collapses. So you can start off basic like this, make sure they're straight here, switch, and then we can go to the wall here. Drill number three, stop. Key point here is the lower back sagging, like I said a minute ago. So this happens here. So we want to stop that, brace. Brace. We're going to be long and strong, and this teaches people how to brace their posture here. Next one then, we can make it a bit trickier. We can go with one arm. Here. Here. Make sure they're strong enough. Then we can go one leg. Hup. Hup. Like this. And again, we're just checking this posture all the time. If they could do that, we try one arm, one leg. Oh, there's a bit more rotation. This side's okay, the other side's quite tricky for me. And what we're looking for is the timing so everything works together like this. There. There. This links to this. This. Okay, so this is teaching them the strength that underpins the force required when you're pushing down hard for sprinting. This one's a bit trickier. You may have seen some drills in sprinting like lean, fall and go, like that. But that posture only works, that drill only works if they're strong enough. Otherwise you get this going on. This one's harder. You can see I start with opposite hand and foot forward, or we start opposite, and then I'm just trying to switch quickly and keeping that position. This stops people from doing this when they're sprinting, coming up too early. So we're trying to get them to stay over. We'll do alternate sides. So you see I'm long here, strong here, keeping the same straight line extension. Progression from that. That's tricky. Once we've done these strength exercises in the gym and got the shapes, we intersperse that with sprints. So you get used to strength, get used to the posture, the alignment, the straight line extension, and then apply it. It's really hard to do at top speed, but if we can get the basics right in the acceleration and get them stronger, then they can apply it out in the park. Good luck.